This is the first thing we do to repair our credit, the absolute first thing. So this will be the foundation of when you say, all right, credit repair, where do I start? You know, usually you hear to start on the credit monitoring sites like Identity IQ or Experian or 1,000 other ones out there. But no, we don't do credit repair that way. We don't look for errors that way. Why? The credit bureaus all are 3 separate companies. So you actually got 3 different reports. So if you dispute it and you saying there is an error, are you saying there's an error on your report according to the third party? Or are you saying it's according to your report directly from them? So it's hard to tell them that this is your source, one of the other third parties. So that's the first thing. If you have to dispute with them and say, hey, look, here's the error. Because you know, usually you just send in a letter saying, all right, this is the error, this is that, or whatever. But you can't really prove it to them. So this is how we're going to show them to back them all against the wall to where if they even try to ignore, then the case is clear. We got the stage set to win if we have to file a lawsuit. So that's one of the reasons why we do it this way.